National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Butte County, Harding County, until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 9:01 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and extreme damaging winds in excess of 100 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line from near Ladner to near Redig, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Additional severe thunderstorms carrying similar conditions will move into the area from the west as well in the next 20 minutes. Locations impacted include Buffalo, Gustav, Harding, Ladner, Redig, Ludlow, Hoover, Ralph, and Riva. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds if you are in the path of this storm. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage across southeast Montana, with numerous high-profile and recreational vehicles being tipped over. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is a supercell thunderstorm. Due to the rotating nature of supercells, they are capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and possibly tornadoes. Be prepared to act quickly should a tornado occur or a tornado warning be issued.